So in this video, I wanna do a quick tutorial, right, on how to play Itende sound in the key of C. Yeah, I know in the key of C. I don't think I've seen a video online tutorial on how to play Itende in the key of C. Most of them they are focused on the key of F sharp, C sharp, and also A flat. I haven't seen one. They're probably there out there, but I thought, you know what, let me just do one in the key of C. Maybe I'll do one in the key of F and G as well on the same video. We'll see. I'm just interested to see how this is gonna go if I was to play it in all white keys, because yeah, I don't remember if I've ever had to play it and using all the white notes. Most of the time I'll be using your F sharp, G sharp, or even E flat. So let's see how this is gonna go out, right? And I'm gonna show you something that you can use to make the sound whenever you're playing Itende. That's gonna change how you play Itende completely, right? So we're in the key of C. Okay, so you'll notice one thing that I've been doing consistently as I've been moving throughout the chords, right? And it's something that I do no matter the key that I'm playing in. Every time when I'm playing it and the sound, no matter the song, the progression of the song, I always use so I will make my, so your scale, right? You have 5 major chords, I mean not 5, sorry, 3 major chords, 3 minor chords, and 1 diminished chord in every scale, right? Your 1, back to the key of C. Your 1 is a major, 2 is a minor, 3 is a minor, 4 is a major, 5 is a major, 6 is a minor, 7 is diminished, right? So what I do, right, I'll play all the chords fine, but then now you notice that I will make my 5 minor every time when I go to 4, right? So let's just say maybe you are worthy to be praised. We worship you. You are worthy to be praised. Did you see? When I went back to 4, we worship. So I use that more like my passing chord, right? We worship you. You So that's what I do. That's what I do. I will just make my 5 minor, right? In this case, it's G minor, right? Because now the major one, which is supposed to be like I can do. I mean, if I'm playing it as a major, it's not giving me the sound, right? You it's not, it does not sound the same. It's not giving that Itende vision. But if I do it, if I make it minor, you see, And I've been doing the same with what key did I go to next? F, right? So just make your 5 minor. And with G, I did the same as well, right? Sorry. If I had to go to F sharp, it's the same thing. Okay, let's go back to C. Let's not get carried away with F sharp there, right? We worship you, our Lord. And you'll see, because when I play piano and when I play Itende, I approach this differently, right? With Itende, I will step first, like I'll really take my time playing with my right hand, and then my left hand. That bass line is very, very important, like to support the sound that I'm playing, right? I will bring it like at the end, like this, some long pause. You'll see. You'll see. So while I'm doing that, my right hand has got a freedom to move around, because with Itende, you don't want to be playing something like just doing this, especially if like the song allows, if the song is not like in that mood where they're saying play softly. You want to really go in, play those chords, right? Play your chord within your scale or even outside of the scale, as long as it makes sense, as long as it's gonna give that Itende sound, right? But what makes this Itende is when you move around. So the right hand moves more, right? It's going through the places, as long as you know what your next note should be, what the next key should be, then you'll have that freedom to move around. And this is how you can play Itende, right? In C, in F, and also in G sharp, by just adding that one minor key, right, which is your 5. You just make your 5 a minor key, and then it brings that difference, right? And there's a lot you can do, I mean, when you're playing it, and it's just one of those techniques that you can apply when you're playing it. And there's a lot of them, there's a lot of techniques, because what is important is that more than just, you know, learning how to play a song, is that you learn the technique. When you've learned the technique, you can apply it, you know, even across all the songs and across all the keys. That's why it's important to learn technique more than anything as you play in piano. And I hope this will help you to be able to play, you know, Itende. For those that are only playing in C, you can now play Itende in C. Those that are only playing in F, those that are playing in all the keys, then you can see how you can interpret your Itende from F sharp, from C sharp to other keys as well, because you should be able to play whatever that you're playing in that one key to all other keys. And I hope this helped. All right, cool.